Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change your delivery address on DoorDash. Alright, let's begin. First, open the DoorDash application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on the Me icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. After tapping on Me, navigate to the Settings option by clicking on it. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Address under Account Settings. Here, you will see an option to add or remove a delivery address. Click on that option to proceed. You will have two choices. You can either use your current location or manually enter a new address. If you choose to use your current location, make sure your device's location services are enabled. Alternatively, if you want to enter a specific address, simply type it into the provided field. After selecting or entering your new address, confirm the changes. This will successfully update your delivery address on DoorDash. So that's basically how you can change your delivery address on DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.